the 70s, when I saw in the 80s, stick your hand here anytime. 3. Yeah. The amount of people that were saying, give me our range, they will very soon. Yeah? Yeah. So when the battery's there, oh, and my rear window sticker. There was a ITV Porsche called Professional. Oh yeah. Noise, sorry. The sound of age and British made quality.
Yes. On that Thursday in 1964.
Yeah. Bubble goes up.
Walking back. Oh,
You can even do it for the customers, will be in the field. You go on the track.
V8. Get a box.
So there we go, folks. That is how the seat is going to sit.
I've done it with 4 riv nuts, so I can obviously access it from the outside once this has got its covering on it and everything. And then it's just rubber stopper at the front. It's good, solid. So at this end now, what I need to do is put a cover on the electrics underneath, just a thin piece of metal, to tidy that off. I've got to plug the ends of this frame, and then I'm going to put like a bar across the back, which is where the tail light's going to go. Decided to go mudguardless on it, because I think it looks better. Same with the front. Pulled this mudguard off this morning, because it just looks so much nicer. I mean, I was umming and ahhing about the mudguards. I was trying to work out how to do it, and then I just thought, take them off, see what it looks like. And it looks bang on. So I think that's going to be the way to go. But yeah, she's coming along good. I'll tell you what as well, something I didn't expect was just how well this thing rides now. Like really, I mean, a lot of people when they do these chops on bikes, they look nice, but they ride like crap. This is a completely different bike. Feels so much nicer to ride. Before it was with the sort of bars like this, it was real like wishy-washy front end, and now it just feels planted, even on the gravel. It's a lot better. It's a lot more aggressive riding position as well. I think these risers, so these are the standard bar risers, I may end up dropping them if I can tap into them, cut them in half, tap a bolt into them and run it out. That'll bring them down just a little bit, probably to about there. And it'll be just a tiny bit more sort of leaning forward. But for now, they'll do the job. Well excited to get this painted now. It's going to look mint. Oh. Oh my god, that's the best shot ever.
Oh, isn't that necklace?
Oh no.
Made a few adjustments to camp today. So we've got a bigger chicken run now. And I moved my van as well.